Alright, I'm a big fan of smart homes. Ever since I spent a few years connecting all my home devices to the internet, I've been wanting to smarten up the studio as well, then make a video to introduce some great smart home devices on the channel. Unfortunately, I'm using Xiaomi's Mijia smart home ecosystem, which doesn't work well in places other than China, so I put that video on hold. Fast forward to now, the chance finally came. Aqara gave us some products and said these things can make an iconic smart home system. Then I can finally do this video, teach you guys how to make your home smart with a few simple smart home items. Before transforming your room, you need to know the process. For any Aqara device, the back of its packaging tells you what you need: a hub, sensors, and devices. You can use the devices you already have, such as the AC or TV, which can receive infrared signals, but you must buy the hub and sensor. Here's an important tip: it's best to buy all these things from the same brand so that it's easier to manage all of them, and there's a less chance of something goes wrong. At the very least, you need to buy devices that support the same smart home platform, such as Alexa or Apple HomeKit. Fortunately, most of Aqara's devices support these major platforms. That's one of the reasons why I chose them. First, let's pick a hub. A hub is the key to manage all your smart devices in one place. Simply put, other smart devices are the limbs and organs of the human body. The hub is the brain that is responsible for controlling them. You can't start without it. The G3 that Aqara has given us is slightly special. In addition to being a hub, it's also a sensor. It has 2K resolution camera that can be used as a CCTV, and it can rotate 360 degrees. With the help of AI, it also recognizes your family members and strangers. It can even recognize gestures to fulfill some tasks for you. The G3 also has a built-in IR controller, which means that your older devices can be connected to the smart home ecosystem, as long as it can receive infrared signals. There are also a lot of nice features such as a USB-C port for video output, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, and physical masking for privacy protection. The base also has one of 4 screw holes so that it can be mounted anywhere. All in all, I'm pretty in love with this 2-in-1 device, and it definitely can be your first smart home control center. I'll be placing it on the corner of my desk so that I can monitor the studio, but also make it easy for me to use gestures to achieve various operations on the device. Now, since the G3 is a hub as well as a sensor, let me briefly to show you how to control the AC through the hub. Okay, now we are on the new board. Let's try set up an automation for it. First, you go to automation and you click add automation. So you can see there are 2 sections here. If is the condition you want something to happen, and then you want some device to do certain things. So let's click the if. Now we choose the hub here, and then gesture detection. So I want to use the V sign here, and then I want some device to act on something, and then add air conditioner and turn on air conditioning. So then click save, and see this is the action and the sign here. So you click OK. Now it's saved. So I'm gonna let it do the action. If your hub doesn't have a built-in camera like the G3, then you will need to buy some sensors to help the hub understand the world around it so it can make the right move. Among all the sensors, I would recommend this one, the Aqara Presence Sensor FP2, which uses radar to determine if there are people in the room. It's like putting another kind of eyes on the hub. FP2 is Aqara's newest presence sensor, which monitors a maximum area of 40 square meters with multi-person detection and fall detection. It even supports sleep detection, so you can get your sleep data even when not wearing your smartwatch. Compared to the PIR motion sensor, FP2 uses a millimeter wave radar, so it can decide whether you are moving or not. It also protects privacy better than a smart camera. With this one, I can even turn on the AC without gestures. The AC will be turned on when people are there and turned off automatically when people leave. It's so convenient. For now, I put it on my pegboard because it has some magnets on the back. I can easily change its position if I need to. In order to keep the G3 from automatically turning on the AC for me even when it's cold, I had to give it the ability to sense the temperature. So the temperature and humidity sensor were just what I needed. Just like the name says, it detects temperature and humidity, so I really don't have to turn on the AC myself anymore. The next steps are simple, just buy the devices for the specific needs. For example, if I want a curtain to open automatically, you can buy a curtain drive E1, which has a built-in battery. It doesn't need to be connected to an outlet and doesn't require tools for installation, making it a very beginner-friendly smart home device. The E1 also has a built-in light sensor. Imagine the sun rising in the morning, the curtains slowly open, and the morning sunshine wakes you up. What a wonderful morning. Then get a LED strap T1 and stick it on your monitor. With the built-in microphone, the lights also move by the rhythm. Using the light sensor inside the presence sensor FP2, I can set it to turn off when the light is strong, turn on when the light is weak. These steps are similar to what I just did. After setting up, everything is automatic. Usually I don't need to take care of this light strap. I set up a new mode for these two new devices, Studio Mode, which is what I show at the beginning of the video. When I gave the G3 a hand gesture signal, the curtains automatically close and AC and LED strap automatically turn on. I can then start shooting A-roll for video straight away, so my personalized, fully automated studio is officially complete. Actually, setting up a smart home system is very simple. Just think about the automations you want, then pick the right sensors and devices. There's no complicated installation process or expensive price tag. The more devices you buy, the smarter your home will be. If you love DIY, then you will definitely enjoy the process as well. We are in the 21st century, so why not enjoy the convenience that good technology brings to us? Thanks again to Aqara here to giving us the equipment support. Their smart home devices are really good. It is also very friendly to newcomers. There are currently discounts available in Prime Day. If you are interested, you can go to their website to check it out. I'm Will from Gizmochina. See you next time.